Hi everyone, naturalroxxy here. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm dyeing my hair today. As you can see in the thumbnail, I am dyeing my hair red and black. So my top part of my hair is going to be black and the ends are going to be like a burgundy type of color. So I'm going to be using the Texture and Tones box, which I love this product. If you have not seen my previous video on me dyeing my hair about a year ago or 2 years ago, I'll leave a card up below so you guys can see. I use the same product, but I think I use Silk Black in that video. So with this one, I'm going to be using 1N Natural Black and 4RV Blaze Burgundy. I'm hoping that it works. So I did bleach my hair. I wanted it to be a little in a tan light color. It didn't work out that way. I had red in my hair, so it turned it like an orange color. So we're gonna see what happens today. But this is what I'm using today. I do love this Clairol box. It is amazing because it has no ammonia in it. And there's other ones that I usually use sometimes, but this one I really do like. Okay guys, so 4 things come inside of the box, and the first one is the No Moisturizing Rich Hair Color. Then number 2 is the Color Activator Cream, and number 3 is the Intense Moisturizing Conditioner. And then we have the gloves that comes inside this paper. I don't use the gloves in the paper because it's too slippery and thin and I don't like it, so I use one of those medical gloves. So that's what I'm going to be using with this. Okay guys, so I have both products out and I'm going to mix both of them. So what I decided to do is keep them separate because I may forget which one is which. So I'm just going to keep it in this order. And I did take off the top for this one. And what I'm going to do is just open this one up. I opened this one up, and so I'm going to add it to this. When I shake it up, I try to like leave them and let them sit for a little while before I start to put them in my hair so that they can just make sure that, you know, but you're supposed to shake it really well, but I'm going to go ahead off camera and I'm going to do that really well. As you can see, they are turning colors as we speak, just sitting here. Hi guys, so we're just gonna go right into the video, and this is my hair. I twisted up in 4. I'm just gonna go ahead with dressing my edges with Vaseline. And if you watch my previous video, I did do a color in natural black before, and anytime I color my hair, I always protect my edges with Vaseline because I just don't want my edges to get dark, stained, ears. It's really hard sometimes to get this color out of your ears, and I'm not in the mood to be using no alcohol to wipe anything off, so that's what I'm doing. So we're just gonna go in with the black, and I'm gonna start off with my roots. So I'm just here trying to take the cover off with my slow self as always. So I'm going to start off at the edges of my hair. That's how I usually do it. I go around the circle of my hair, and I just find it much more easier. I don't know why my roots take the longest to dye, but it just does. And even when I finished dyeing my hair with this, I just noticed it wasn't as black as I like. So next time I'll do it, I'll probably do the jet black because I really like my hair. I started seeing some gray colors, and I don't want no gray in my hair. And so I usually go in sections and just make sure all of my roots is black. I know that they say it's not so good to directly go to your roots of your hair, but I really don't. I don't like rub it all into my roots scalp of my hair, but I do make sure that my roots are getting the color that it needs. That's just me, my preference, and that's what I really like to do. So you guys can go ahead and watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back.
I'm writing Christmas postcards out by the pool. It's 70 degrees in the shade and the breeze is cool. Yeah. Even though we don't get snow.
So now we're going to be using the burgundy color in the ends of my hair. I'm hoping that it doesn't transfer out to be like black burgundy, but I'm going to stick mostly to the ends to distribute this closer and not more to the roots where you can see that orange. So I'm hoping that this works. I'm not sure. I'm not a professional, so I'm just trying out something to see if this will work, and I found this easier, so you know, we're gonna go ahead and try. But I'm hoping that a beautiful burgundy color comes out, because I really want like a nice black burgundy holiday color. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and distribute this out and smooth it out, and I hope it works. Okay guys, so as you can see, the ends of my hair at the back is more orange. I don't know how that happened, but I did place the red on it, and as you can see, it is working. It's actually turning it a nice burgundy color, which I'm very happy and pleased about. So I'm just going to twist that up and leave it in for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on a shower cap with it so that it can just simmer a little bit more on top of the head and distribute a little bit of heat. I was going to sit underneath the hair dryer, but I was just too impromptu to do so today, so I just decided to just keep it in until I seen that it was getting a little darker. I did cover my hair up with one of my hair wraps so heat can distribute throughout the shower cap, and it worked out fine. So that is what I did. So now I washed out my hair, and this is my hair after washing it out. It took so nicely. I'm glad I did what I did, but I feel like I need to put a little bit more black on my roots of my hair, but I'm not going to do that now. I'll do that another time. But at this point, my hair is so dry, guys. So I went in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore treatment because my hair was so dry. I needed some moisture back in my hair, and I believe it's just because of the two colors that I used in my hair, and then I bleached it prior, so all of that. And this, guys, is so good. I used it before. This was a sample packet, but I'm gonna go and get the bottle packet because it's really nice, but it's a very thick consistency for the conditioner, which is nice. I do like thick consistency my conditioner because I have low porosity hair, and so this works good for me. Anything too watery, it doesn't work at all. It just doesn't penetrate, and this is so moisturizing. As I was placing it in my hair was like butter, baby. When I say butter. So I'm really happy with this conditioner lately, and I've been using it a lot. So I'm definitely going to be buying the big bottle of this product when I get a chance. I'll go into Shea Moisture, or I'll go to Target and see if they have it. So what I do is I distribute it through evenly, section by section in my hair, just to make sure from end to roots, and then I twist it up. I do like to do that because I just want to make sure that I'm getting, getting the conditioner in all parts of my hair, my strands of my hair and everything like that. So I am heavy-handed as well, and as you can see, I go back in and make sure that I have enough, especially on my edges, roots, even on the ends, like just to make sure I have enough product, because you do need, you know, some type of moisture, some type of conditioner to bring back the life back in your hair after dyeing your hair, bleaching your hair. It just strips your hair, so it's very, very, you know, good to do so. I always say this in my dyeing videos, very important. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this cap on. I have things to do in the house and I'm not going underneath the hair dryer. I got this cap which I use to dry my hair, as well as if I don't feel like going underneath the hair dryer, I'll leave this on for 2 hours, an hour, and it just really steams the hair up. Makes my hair get a lot of heat towards it, especially me just moving around in the house and doing things that I need to do. So yeah, this is it. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to go and check it out. Very inexpensive and I love it. So I am back, and this is my hair after the deep conditioner, and I wish you guys can smell it. It smells so good, as well as how it feels. It feels amazing. I really, really love this conditioner. It made my hair come back to a nice soft texture, and I love the burgundy in my hair, guys. I love how it came out to be that like ruby black, if that's what you can say. But yeah, I am gonna go ahead now and put in all my leave-in products, my oils, and twist it up for work for the next day. So if you guys like this video, please thumbs up, please comment down below and let me know what you think, and if you ever use textured and tones. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays.